Student, I am Praveen Kumar, your science subject teacher. In this second part of video of cell, we have discussed the first activity to see the cell in microscope, cut an onion into the 4 pieces, longitudinous section, when we have already told you longitudinous is LS, and remove one of the thick scale of one piece, and take this thick scale is one hand and tear it from the inner side to get a thin transparent strip, and remove this peel with the help of the forceps and put it into the watch glass containing water. Cut the piece into the small pieces. Take one such pieces in a drop of water of a glass slide. Now put a drop of an iodine or on the peel. Iodine on we have taken on the saffron also, and place a cover slip on the piece of peel. Observe it under the compound microscope. You will observe that see a rectangular compartment with one round nucleus in each, and these are cells. So the onion peel are made of many cells, and each cell contain nucleus. If you repeat this activity with a different epidermal layer of the leaves and the inner lining of the animal cell or the frog cell, and you will find the same result. So we can conclude that all living organisms are made of cell. Type of cell, there are two types of cell, that is prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell means primitive one, and eukaryotic means new one. That is, they are mainly different on the presence of nuclear membrane on inside of cell. First we describe the prokaryotic. Prokaryotic, that means primitive. Karyon means nucleus. The cell are the primitive. They have only plasma membrane and the one membrane bounded structure are absent. And nucleus is primitive. And without the nuclear membrane and the nucleus, DNA remain diffuse in the center part of this cell. DNA is not associated with the histone protein cell, and organelles are absent, and 70S type of ribosome is present. This is the primitive cell of bacteria or Blue Guinea. In some of the cell, flagellum is present, and flagellum is not made of the tubulin protein, and there is the known 9+2 arrangement of the stand, and prokaryote largely reproduced by the asexual method, bacteria and Blue alga. The example is the bacteria, the outer wall, which is the protecting layer, it is the capsule in their cell wall. After that, plasma membrane is cell membrane. There the cytoplasm, the RNA, ribosome protein, and the flagella by which it is moved, and nucleoid. Nucleus we have to know say because there is no nuclear membrane present in this eukaryotic cell. Eu means good, and karyons means nucleus. Eukaryote cell have well organized nucleus with a nuclear membrane, nucleolus, chromatin, reticulum, nucleoplasm, and membrane bounded cell organelles present like mitochondria, Golgi body, etc. DNA is associated with the histone protein, and ATS type of ribosome is present, and flagellum is made of tubulin protein, and 9+2 arrangement is present in this stand. And like amoeba and the plant cell, the difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, and the nucleus of prokaryotic is not enclosed in the nuclear membrane but traveling chromatic nucleus material arranged into the irregular mass, which is called nucleoid. And in eukaryotic cell, nucleus is present in the eukaryotes, and nucleus enclosed in the nuclear membrane and contain nucleoplasm, nucleolus, and chromatin material. DNA is circular in the cytoplasm, and histone protein is absent, and DNA molecule is very long. There is a linear structure, and histone protein is present. RNA and protein are synthesized in the same compartment, and RNA are synthesized and processed in the nucleus, and the protein is synthesized in the cytoplasm. Mitotic division is absent, and cell divide by mitosis and meiosis. Cytoskeleton like cytoplasm, streaming endocytosis, and exocytosis are absent. Protein filaments form cytoskeleton, and cytoplasm, streaming, endocytosis, and exocytosis take place. Cells are 1 to 10 micrometer in linear dimension, and in this cell are 10 to 100 micrometer in linear dimension. Membrane bounded structures such as Golgi apparatus and the plasmic reticulums are absent, and Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria and DNA are present in this. And in prokaryotic 70S type of ribosome are present, and in eukaryotic 80S type of ribosome are present in mitochondria and the plastid of eukaryotes. 70S type of ribosome are present. Flagellum is submicroscopic, and flagellum is composed of fibrils, is distinguished in 9 to 2 patterns.